The flight over Victoria Falls was undoubtedly one of the unforgettable moments of this trip, an experience that exceeded all expectations. Seeing this extraordinary natural spectacle from above offers a unique, almost surreal perspective. The rushing waters that plunge into the deep canyon appear as a boundary between heaven and earth, while the roar of the falls becomes a distant whisper, leaving room for visual wonder. When I came for the first time, a few years ago, I had opted for a completely different adventure, rafting on the Zambezi, a breathtaking and adrenaline-filled experience. If you are curious, I leave the link to the video of that adventure below in the description. This time, however, I had no doubts about the activity to choose. Flying over the falls gave me a feeling of absolute freedom, as if time had stopped to allow me to contemplate the majesty of nature from a privileged point of view, suspended between sky and water. We were lucky enough to experience a simply perfect day, where nature gave us a spectacle that we will hardly forget. The reflections of the sun on the main cataract created a hypnotic play of light, making the water sparkle as if it were embellished with millions of diamonds. And then, all along the front of the falls, rainbows formed and disappeared continuously, as if they were paintings suspended in the air, adding a touch of magic to an already extraordinary landscape. Every glance was a discovery, an emotion, with the roar of the waters that seemed to amplify the sense of wonder and amazement. It was a moment that made us feel small in front of the immensity of nature, but at the same time incredibly lucky to be able to witness such a rare and powerful spectacle where light, water, and color came together in perfect harmony. Watching those rainbows shine among the steam and mist of the falls struck a deep chord, giving a feeling of peace and wonder that only the most extraordinary places on the planet can convey.
Bene, bene.